And off they go for race number 3. This is heat number 1 for the Singapore Premier Open. This is certainly a faster race as we see a 20-man crew racing down the side of Marina Bay. Well, let's introduce you to the teams. Lane number 1, we have the team from IBM Singapore. Lane number 2 is the team from the Tampines Changkat Community Sports Club. Lane number 3, National University of Singapore, the champions, the team to look out for certainly. Lane number 4, next to them is Republic Polytechnic and the team Usports. And lane number 6, Taman Jurong, building Palmer towards the finishing line. Lane number 6 looking like this, setting the pace for the rest of the field, followed by lane number 3, as expected, National University of Singapore. From start to finish, following